reception and welcome to Phonics. And today in phase 3 we're going to be learning the sound X. Okay, this is the capital X and this is the lowercase X. And it's like take an X-ray X with your camera. So you will need a piece of paper and a pencil for this lesson, and I hope you're doing good sitting and good looking and good listening. Right, children, can you join in with your ABC? 3, 2, 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. 26 letters from A to Z. Well done, children. Now let's do our sounds that we already know, our previous sounds. Don't forget to join in the actions. Are we ready? S, A, T, P, I, N, M, O, E, B, K, D, F, G, K, H, K, R, O, L, F, S, J, V, W. Well done, children. Did you join in with all the actions as well? Excellent. Now let's say our high frequency words. These are words that we use often when we're reading and writing. Are you ready? A, an, as, at, if, in, it, of, off, on, can, dad, had, back, and, get, big, him, his. And don't forget you can pause the video and have a go at reading these words and writing them. And see if you can spell them as well, don't look. Right then. And our oral blending and segmenting. Are we ready? I say mum and you say m or m, mum. You say mum and I say m or m, mum. I say dad and you say d, a, d, dad. You say dad and I say d, a, d, dad. I say back and you say b, a, k, back. You say back and I say b, a, k, back. I say up and you say up, up. You say up and I say up, up. Well done, children. And don't forget, if you look here, the dad, when we write it, has got a capital because it's the name of somebody and it's a noun, and same with mum. It's a name of somebody and it's a noun. And here we've got back and it's got a digraph at the end. Can you see it? It's the k digraph. Well done. Let's join in with our tricky words. 3, 2, 1. The, to, I, go, into, no. Well done, children. Now, are we ready? We're ready for our speedy words. So, can you write the word at? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tell me how to spell at. What's the first sound? You ready? Yeah, it's an A and then a T. Well done, at. Now the next word I would like you to do is as. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the first sound? A. And what's the final sound? S, as. Right, the next word I would like you to write is a. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. A. And the final word I would like you to write is an. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. An. Well done, Anne. Now let's look at our computer again. So Do you remember the sound that we were learning? That's right, x, x. That's right, and it's x, x. Take an X-ray, x, x. Take an X-ray, x, x. Take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. Are we ready?
Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand.
Right, children, did you hear that? So it's take an X-ray, and if you get your camera ready and take an X-ray, take an X-ray. So let's have a practice at writing our x sound. So if you have a look at my board, I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to go diagonally to the line. Take my pen off and then I'm going to start at the top and go diagonally across down to the bottom and take my pen off. So it's start at the top, go down, off. That's diagonal line. Start at the top, go down, off. That's my capital, and it's exactly the same. The smaller one, the lowercase, off. But it's just smaller. So start at the top, go diagonally, and off. Start at the top, go diagonally, off. See if you can do a row of them like I have done. Now then, let's do our sound buttons. So let's read the word wax, wax. Can you see the wax dripping off the candle there? Wax. You ready? This word, box, box. There you go, there's the box. Box, box. This word, mix, 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 and here she is mixing all the ingredients together. This one, fix, 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 and here he is fixing the car. Fix, fix. Now if I said the word box, which word is it, children? That's right, it's the box. If I said fix, which word is it, children? That's right, it's fix. If I said the word wax, which word is it, children? Wax. If I said the word mix, which word is it, children? That's right, it's mix. So see if you can sound talk them, children. Are you ready? I say box and you say box. I say fix and you say fix. I say wax and you say wax. I say mix and you say mix. Well done, children. Oh, sentence time. So let's read this sentence. Oh, look at the picture. Now this is Max. Here's Max, Max. And here is the box, box. Oh no, what's happening, children? That's right. Let's read the sentence. The box fell on Max. Read it again. The box fell on Max. Fell, F-E-L. So the box fell on Max. Max. The box fell on Max. How many words in that sentence? That's right, there's 5. Oh no, children, what's happened to my sentence? Come on then, I need your help. What's the first word in our sentence? What is it? That's right. It's the word the. The. What's the next word? The. That's right. Box. The box. What's the next word? On fell Max? No. The box. What is it? Fell. Yes. The box fell. On. Thank you. On. What's the last word? Max. Let me just spread out my words, so I'm making sure that I've got a finger space after each word. So it's capital letter at the start, then a finger space, and then a full stop at the end. Children, why have we got a capital letter here? That's right, it's somebody's name. It's a noun, and it's a capital because it's somebody's name. It's Max's name. Well done. Now, children, can you remember the sentence? Right, you can pause the video and write your sentence. Now, challenge. Have a look at the picture. And it's of a box. Now, the challenge is that I would like you to write your own sentence about a box. Now, don't forget to send me pictures of your work that you've done in phonics via your email address. Bye-bye.